Respected cement plant project managers and investors, today we will walk you through a visual guide of a 2,500 to 7,000 TPD cement production line to see how raw materials are efficiently transformed into high-quality cement. First, raw materials like limestone, clay, and iron ore are crushed by our heavy-duty jaw crusher and cone crusher, then ground into fine powder in the raw mill. The powder is homogenized in blending silos to ensure consistent raw mix proportion. Next is the core step. The homogenized powder is fed into the rotary kiln for calcination, converting it into clinker under high temperatures. The clinker is then mixed with gypsum and ground in the cement mill to produce the final cement product. Finally, the cement is packaged or shipped in bulk. Our production line features an integrated design that optimizes each process stage, offering the flexibility to meet customized capacity requirements from 2,500 to 7,000 tons per day. With decades of experience in heavy machinery, we provide a one-stop solution from production line design and equipment configuration to on-site guidance to meet the high-capacity demands of large-scale cement plants.